Hello, I am Mr. A. Welcome to my channel, AI Medical School. In previous video, we took an overview of cell injury, so, in today's video, we are going to discuss the causes of cell injury. So, let's quick overview of cell injury when the limits of adaptive capacity are exceeded or when no adaptive response is possible, a consequence of events follows, termed as cell injury. The cell injury may be reversible or irreversible. Reversible cell injury. It denotes pathologic changes that can be reversed when the stimulus or stress is removed or if the cause of injury is mild. Irreversible cell injury. It denotes pathologic changes that are permanent and cause cell death. Causes of cell injury: hypoxia, physical agents, chemical agents, microbiologic agents, immunologic reactions, genetic defects, nutritional imbalance, aging. These are the 8 causes of cell injury. Hypoxia, it means lack of oxygen, which may be to ischemia, loss of blood supply, due to arterial occlusion, inadequate oxygenation of blood, secondary to pulmonary disease, loss of oxygen carrying capacity of blood, as in anemia, or carbon monoxide poisoning, decreased time perfusion, as occurs is hypotension, shock and cardiac failure. Physical agents: trauma, radiation, electric shock, extremes of temperatures, sudden change in atmospheric pressure. These are the physical agents. Chemical agents: glucose or salt in hypertonic concentration, oxygen in high concentration, poisons, for example, arsenic, cyanide, insecticides, carbon monoxide, alcohol, drugs. Microbiologic agents: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Immunologic reactions: anaphylactic reaction and autoimmune disease. Genetic defect, congenital malformations, and sickle cell anemia. Nutritional imbalances, hypovitaminosis, and protein-calorie malnutrition. That's it for now. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press subscribe button.